Imagine you're a 3-year-old child. Imagine you're a 3-year-old child and someone doesn't want to share with you. Imagine you're Tammy Tattletale. Do you all have a Tammy Tattletale? Tammy Tattletale is this, Billy hit me! And then the teacher looks around like, Billy's not here today. So Tammy Tattletale, you'll go up to a teacher, oh, he didn't share with me. And then the teacher, trying to teach you empathy, says, tell him how he makes you feel when he doesn't share with you. Or a child calls someone a poopy head. And then the teacher goes, tell her how she made you feel when she called you that name. So with the supercomputer in here that's processing information over and over and over, you've been trained as a little kid to believe other people can make you feel a certain way. And then you wonder why there's constant upset in society. You wonder why there's anxiety. It's because you've been taught a lie. The matrix is real and it's your mind. You've been taught a lie that other people can make you mad, make you sad, make you upset. It never happened. Reality. Your human brain hears words. We interpret the words. We give the words meaning. We respond and react to the words in a millisecond. And because we work so fast and we're not trained that that's what happens, we don't look internally at where the upset is. We blame everyone else. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing right with it. It's just what happens. And now you get to be aware of what's going on so that you can have a hope to change it. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.